Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to reset the O-Kam Pro camera app. First, open the O-Kam Pro app, then tap on Login. Next, tap on Agree and continue to accept the app's terms and permissions. Then tap on Allow when prompted so the app can send notifications and access the features it needs. Then tap on Register. Here you can select your country or region and enter your email address. You can also create a new account if you do not already have one. Now open Phone Settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and tap on O-Kam Pro. Then tap on Offload App. Then tap on Offload App again to confirm. This helps clear temporary app files while keeping important app data stored on your device. Now go back to the home screen and press and hold the O-Kam Pro app icon. Then tap on Remove App. Next tap on Delete App. Then tap on Delete again to completely remove the app from your iPhone. Wait a few seconds to make sure the app has been fully removed. Now open the App Store and search for O-Kam Pro. If you see an Update button, tap Update to install the latest version. If the app was deleted, tap the download icon to reinstall it. Allow the installation to finish completely before opening the app. Once installed, open O-Kam Pro again and sign in with your account details. You may need to allow permissions again and reconnect your camera if prompted. Now check whether the app is working correctly and whether the issue has been fixed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.